VeChain, is it about to make a move sometime soon? Now, this is the chart for VeChain, and I have invalidated a few patterns here since the last time we've talked about this coin. Now, some things are still the same, okay, but some charts have been invalidated. Either they have been broken down from, or the price targets have been met. If you guys want, you guys can check my video library for previous references on VeChain and what has changed. Now, this falling wedge pattern here is still valid, where the breakout has happened back in April. Price target for that breakout was about 6 cents, above 6 cents there. Now, since the breakout here, it has been in this bit of a downtrend, okay? And I have charted another falling wedge pattern here, okay, which has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. Falling wedge patterns are bullish patterns that have a higher chance of breaking to the upside, but also have to mind the smaller chance that they could still break down, because I've seen them happen. We're all just talking about probabilities here. Nothing in this market is 100%, okay? So what I'm seeing here is a falling wedge that has formed from within that previous falling wedge pattern up till the point of right now. It is in the midsection of the pattern, so very important to be paying attention to which way it goes. If this falling wedge pattern actually breaks out by this point, for example, price target would be about over 4 cents here, price target. Now, price target are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less, a lot of which does depend on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin has more room to pump, that's going to be very good for a lot of these altcoins. I did do a more detailed video on Bitcoin earlier today on why I think Bitcoin has very potentially bottomed, okay? I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here, so my opinions on the crypto markets in general is bullish. However, these are just my opinions, like the entirety of this video. It's not financial advice. You guys gotta form your own opinions and strategies. Now, what I'm seeing here is the second falling wedge pattern here. Price target is going to be about 4 cents. Quite a bit of your weekly moving averages that are going to be acting as resistance, so some things to be paying attention to. Daily time frame, let's zoom in. This is the daily time frame, zoomed in, get some more clarity on what VeChain could be doing. This is a smaller falling wedge pattern. And the price target for this falling wedge pattern here, if it breaks out by this point, you measure it by the opening of the pattern, you put it on top of an estimated breakout point. Let's just say right here, price target would be about 2.4 cents price target, okay, for VeChain. So let's see if VeChain can start meeting some of these smaller price targets before hitting the bigger one, okay? Otherwise, we can come back here and revisit the charts and see what could be happening with VeChain. That's it for this video. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of this coin or any other coins in this market by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I'll pick a request to you for you guys on a daily basis, and I'll see you on the next one.